Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E15 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll and enter device identifiers and keep tapping on the build number, which is at the very bottom of the list, until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. You can check our tutorial about the developer options to learn more. So now we have to go back to the general settings and enter the system and enter developer options. All we have to do right now is to simply scroll down just a little bit to find this automatic system updates and tap on this switcher to turn this option on. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.